Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect to Wi-Fi in computer. So once you log in, you can connect from it on the bottom right bar here. So you can click on this and then you'll see a little taskbar come up and you'll see the Wi-Fi like this, right? If it's not on, it might look like this, right? It's not on, so it's like this. But if you want to turn it on, just click on it and then it's on. Now you can see there's a arrow here, right? Just click on that. Now you'll see this is all of the Wi-Fi network we have. If you want to connect a specific one, you can just click on this, connect, like this. And then if it's able to connect, it'll be like this, right? If you can't find the Wi-Fi network down here on the taskbar, there is another way we can do this. We can go to the search bar here and then click on settings. And then on settings, you can go to system. And on system, if you can't find it here, it might be on here, network and internet. On network and internet, you can see there's a bar here that says Wi-Fi. You can turn it on here. If you want to select which Wi-Fi you connect to, just click on it. And you can see there's more option here. Click on show available networks or imperial properties if you'd like, but I'm just going to click on show available networks. There you see, this is all of the network that we have here. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.